the opportunity is so great because, without any capital, you're not able to, traders always need capital, to be successful.
I'll just get started by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital. And at the moment, we're just conducting a few interviews with our traders just to find out a bit more about how they got into trading and how they first got interested in trading. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got interested in trading and built your way up to the place you are today.
Sure. Yeah, so my name is Loyce Madava. I got interested in trading in 2013. I was invited to a seminar because I'm also into network marketing. So at that seminar, there was a speaker, somebody who runs a trading school, trading academy. So he was one of the speakers. So I got interested because he was talking about trading and what freedom it might bring to you, the possibilities. So I saw it as a good opportunity. So I did attend his course, his training in London for about 3 days. At that time, I didn't have any wins, because it was just like, me starting over. I didn't feel that, I learned much those 3 days, but then, so I only did 3 days and that was it. And then I just left it. And then I got back into it in about 2017. And because I saw the possibility anyway, like, what it can give you. So, and like, what financial freedom it can give you. So I then joined with an academy, another academy that was less expensive. So I've been learning from them. So it's kind of a monthly subscription where you trade as a team and that kind of thing. So, so that's when I kind of started, trading. Yeah.
Great. So I know that you said you had the person who was teaching you and you've now joined this subscription as well, but did you have any previous education in trading, or did you learn mostly from yourself or mentors, or just how did you learn to trade successfully?
So I learned from some YouTube videos, some mentors, and, courses, different courses, then I would do my own research as well. And the academy as well, I learned like quite a lot of strategies from them. Yeah, that's where most of the learning came from. Yeah.
Great. I think a lot of people are doing what you're doing as well. Like 90% of the people that I interview have either learned themselves at the start and then taken it through a mentor, and they become really great profitable traders. So that is really great to hear.
Thank you.
So you're on the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yes.
So how has that been for you so far? Are you liking it? Do you have any feedback? How's your trading been?
Yeah, I would say I enjoy it because I mean the opportunity is so great because without any capital you're not able to traders always need capital to be successful. So it's quite good that AudaCity are offering this to people without, because I know most funded companies, they do this challenges and verification, and it's such a long process, but you guys, it's good that you just give traders the account straight away, so that's brilliant. So I'm really glad about that. So I'm really enjoying it. So I suppose the only feedback is the limited instruments on there. If possible, if you could include commodities and indices. Yeah, so that would be great. I think for me, because I like trading, you know, indices, and my success is more there. I know I've got a trading plan for that, so I know I can achieve better results trading indices and, you know, commodities like, you know, gold. Yeah, so because Forex is a little bit slow, but, you know, yeah. But I think that's the only feedback, if you could include, you know, those things as well, that would be great. Yeah,
Great.
yeah.
I will definitely pass on your feedback as well. We do allow different instruments to be traded after the 120k account mark, but I would definitely pass on your feedback to have it included from the very beginning. And I'm also really glad that you're enjoying the program as well. That's really great to hear. So my last question is a bit of a tricky one, but I ask it to everyone I interview. And it is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? So this might be something that you might have wanted to hear whenever you were starting your trading journey, or some advice that really changed the way you traded, anything like that?
Yeah, I would say, like, you know, just to educate yourself as much as possible, to attend courses, and just to make sure that you understand risk management, especially. Yeah, so I think that advice, you know, is about risk assessment, risk management, and, you know, just to continue educating yourself, like, over and over and over again. Yeah, because the market is so unpredictable. Nobody can master it, or, like, you know, have fortune, what do you call it? Like a fortune cookie or something. Nobody has that. Yeah.
I think that's some great advice, and hopefully when this is posted on our channel, someone will definitely take that into account, because I think that is some great advice, and especially right now as the markets are so unpredictable with what's going on. So I think that's some great advice. And I think that is everything from me today. So thank you so much for this interview. It's been lovely speaking to you, and hopefully in a few weeks or months we can catch up again to see how you're doing.
All right. Thank you.
Perfect. See you later. Have a nice day.